Hello YouTube. This isn't so much a demonstration video as it is a question video. I've got some questions as to why this 2-foot long T12 fixture will not start up. I can get it to turn on, but that's only if I mess with this. So either hitting a yellow wire or actually touching the bulbs. I can get it to turn this one off. I can get it to turn on, but not all the way. Trying to make sure that one doesn't fall out. Alright. I think that tombstone. There we go. Got them all on. Alright, so if I hit the switch, turn it back on, it won't fully turn on. I mean, I can get it to turn on at the ends, but I can't get it to fully turn on. So I'm wondering if it's a loose connection. Because if I tap the yellow wire, it'll turn on, or if I tap the bulbs, it'll turn on. So that's why I don't think it's the ballast. If it was the ballast, it probably wouldn't turn on at all. You just tap on the little yellow wire, and it turns on. Alright, so I paid $5 for all three of the fixtures. I paid $5 for that one, this one, and this one. This is the one that we previously had in here. That's where these lights came from. I had some T8s, but those weren't the right kind. I had the old fixture plugged in, and I just wired this up. I just haven't had a chance to get some bulbs for this. It works, but it just is not, because it doesn't have any lights. So if you guys know what's wrong with it, let me know in the comments, because I can't figure it out. If it was the ballast, I wouldn't think that would turn on at all. Alright, so let's turn it off. Turn it back on. Something else that's weird is if, say, 2 of the tombstones are lit, or 3 of them, I mean, 1 full bulb will turn on. No, now it's being difficult. Alright, see, it's showing up brighter for the camera for some reason. Alright, see? Okay, most of the time. Yeah, see, now it's being difficult. I don't know why, but messing with the worded tombstone gets it to go. So if I'm messing with it, I can get it to turn on, but it won't just turn on by itself. So if you guys know what's wrong with it, let me know in the comments. I have till Saturday to turn it, and today's Wednesday. Alright, so if you guys know what's wrong with it, let me know in the comments, because I can't figure it out.